Alrighty. Alright, want me to lead? Yeah. Alright, cool. We're gonna go straight, and right after Tampa, we're gonna make a left on Corbin. Oh, sun. It's just bright and annoying. The transitional, that would be pretty cool. I don't want another helmet, I just want the visor. Alright. Here we are. What? Are you? That was El Takoyama. To our right, next to 7-Eleven, that was El Takoyama. It's a really good Mexican food joint. You want to switch bikes then? No, I'm good, I'm good. It was fun though, I like it. I just don't want to get used to it. The sun reflecting off of that window blinded me. Yeah, it is on a wind's mouth, I believe.
Microphone box?
Yeah, it's big and bulky and ugly. So Jason got a new helmet and riding jeans, a bell. Pretty nice. Comes with a transitional visor. Pretty cool. How do you get to Costco?
Left on Topeka.
Uh-huh.
Left on Victory.
Oh, so left.
Oh, should I put this way?
Oh, okay. Ooh, there's a lot of places here at the village. Kind of cool place to chill. Oh, nice. That's the bike you're talking about, huh? It's a F800. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's pretty cool. You think it would be rude if I went in front of this car? Yeah, I mean, technically I'm with you and he just... Yeah, sorry. Where's Kelsey? What if that guy is here making people sing?
Yeah, right.
Alright, what song are you gonna sing?
Maybe somebody pissed people.
Living on a prayer. I don't see Kelsey. Where the heck is she? Living on a prayer. Yeah, hey, Brian, my fingers, they're touch sensitive.
Yeah, they are.
Yours too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then it kind of sucks. It doesn't work that way.
Yeah, it's not like great.
Mine's, I put metal threading.
Wait, what brand is that?
Same thing, Alpine does.
Oh, which one though?
More protective one. That's what I think.
Oh, really? Huh.
But I don't know what it's less protective than.
Uh-huh.
That's the like option.
I see. Yeah. We look all funny paddling. Did that guy just get here? Oh, you know what? Those have more pumps though.
So, where are we at?
Well, let's just walk around the village and see what we got. So, can I buy both for who pays gas?
The Costco card holder pays, yeah.
Hold on. This guy is... Oh, I see. Why are these guys all stopped here? Like, it's annoying, man. Oh, I see. You guys are gonna back in, huh?